first came into my home. You curled up small in a corner all alone. I whispered gently, it's okay, hoping my voice would make you stay. Now you're sleeping by my side, yawning slowly with sleepy eyes. Bit by bit your trust has grown, and that alone makes my heart known. When our eyes meet, time stands still. You're the reason my heart feels filled. Little you, my precious one, you're the light that makes me smile. Running round with toys in your mouth, you make my world worthwhile. Every little thing you do fills each day with something new. This must be what family means to me. I drop my bag and look around to see where you're curled up now. Everything becomes your toy, even me, your playtime joy. Each day brings you closer still. A little touch, a warming thrill. You'll grow so fast, I know it's true, but I'll remember every part of you. Every blink, each swish of your tail, I hold them close like tiny trails. Little you, I can't look away. One glance and I'm swept away. The way you ask for me to play melts my heart more every day. You deserve a world so kind. I'll protect what we both find. This must be what love is meant to be. You used to hide so far from me. Now you sleep where I can see. No words needed, yet I knew you were saying, I trust you. Little you, my sweetest home, today